In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupons in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up discounts your customers can use at checkout, with the right rules and timing to fit your promotion. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open the site you want to manage. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll find all the tools you need to control products, orders, and promotions. If you need the website, I've placed a direct link to GoDaddy right at the top of the description so you can get there quickly. Inside your dashboard, open the Commerce section, select Products, and then click Coupons. This is where every coupon lives, and it's also where you'll add new ones or edit existing promotions. Go ahead and click Add to start a new coupon. Begin by entering the coupon code customers will type at checkout. You can write a code that's easy to remember, or click the option to get a random code if you prefer something auto-generated. Clear codes like Save 10 or Free Ship are great for marketing because they're easy to communicate. Next, choose the discount type. Fixed amount subtracts a set dollar amount from the total, which works well for higher priced items. Percentage gives a flexible discount like 10% off, and scales with the order size. Free shipping is perfect when you want to protect margin on products, but reward customers by covering delivery. Pick the one that best matches your campaign and pricing strategy. If you want to tighten control, add optional restrictions. You can limit the coupon to specific products or categories, set a minimum order amount to protect your average order value, or cap total uses so it doesn't run indefinitely. These restrictions help ensure your promotion fits your goals, like boosting cart size or moving certain inventory, without discounting everything. Set your schedule by choosing start and end dates, or leave it open-ended if you're running an ongoing promotion. Scheduled dates are great for seasonal sales and help you avoid turning coupons on and off manually. Just make sure you're aligned with your store's time zone so the coupon activates when you expect. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your coupon is now ready to use at checkout. As a tip, keep your code consistent across your emails, banners, and social posts so customers always see the same message. And remember, you can return to the coupons area anytime to review performance and refine your settings. Thanks for watching.